आज हम करने वाले हैं आर्केड फरवरी 2026 स्प्रिंट 2 का क्विज, जिसमें हमें दिए गए कुछ क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। हालांकि इनकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, यू कैन जस्ट कीप दिस क्विज ओपन फॉर 10 मिनट्स and the lab will complete it by itself. You don't have to do anything. However, to utilize the time we will be doing this quiz, it does not matter if the quiz answer gets wrong. You will be awarded the points after 10 minutes regardless of it. सो ज़रूरी नहीं है, अगर आपका क्विज गलत भी हो जाता है या क्विज नहीं भी अटेम्प्ट करते हो, तब भी 10 मिनट्स बाद एंड करने से आपको पूरे पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे। सो शुरू करते हैं क्विज को। इन गूगल क्लाउड दिस सर्विस इज यूज्ड टू मैनेज एंड ऑर्केस्ट्रेट कंटेनराइज्ड एप्लीकेशंस। It will be Kubernetes engine. And which Kubernetes command is used to list all the pods currently running in your Google Cloud cluster? It is qwiklabs get pods. Next, which Google Cloud command is used to provision a virtual private cloud VPC network? So it should be this gcloud compute networks create. Now the fourth question is which Google Cloud command is used to create a new virtual machine instance? Gcloud compute instances create. Now on to the next question, fifth. Which Google Cloud service caches content at the network edge to reduce user latency? It is Cloud CDN. Now, on to the sixth question. To use Cloud CDN, it must be enabled on which specific Google Cloud component? We just did it in the last lab, guys. It is load balancer. And congratulations, you have completed the quiz. However, don't end the lab right now. Wait for 8 minutes more. End it after 20 minutes is shown here. Like around 10 minutes are gone. Okay, so let's just wait for it. After 10 minutes are over, we can simply just click end lab and the lab is complete. To check if the lab is complete or not, you can click on back button and it will come as completed.